Alright, so here we have these digital gauges that we have to check our air conditioning system. These are properly connected, as you can see. We have low side, high side hooked up, and according to these readings and the temperature that I am seeing outside right now, my system seems to be low on refrigerant, but very nice, very handy. They got backlit display, as you can see. They also have the option to be able to change the way you want to read your PSIs, bar, or whatever. I usually read on PSIs, and you could change the refrigerant. This is a vehicle, this is 134A, and yeah, these are nice, man. I really like them. Come in handy to be able to test and check your system.